In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your USDT BEP20 wallet address on your Bitget application. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now again click on the Deposit Crypto button. Type USDT in the search bar and select Tether. Tap on it. You will see multiple network options. Choose BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. Make sure that the sender is also sending on the BEP20 network to avoid losing your fund. Tap on it. Once BEP20 is selected, your wallet address will appear along with the QR code. Click copy to copy the address or scan the QR code. And that's it. Now you know how to find your USDT BEP20 wallet address on your Bitget application. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.